Vinyl windows are known for their durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. But even the highest quality window won't perform as expected without proper installation. The way a window is fitted, sealed, and secured directly affects how well it insulates, operates, and lasts over time. For homeowners in Covington, professional installation is just as important as choosing the right vinyl window product. Creating a tight, energy-efficient seal. One of the primary benefits of vinyl windows is improved energy efficiency. However, that benefit depends heavily on correct installation. In Covington homes, improperly installed windows can leave small gaps between the frame and the wall opening. These gaps allow air to leak in and out, reducing insulation performance. Professional installers ensure that vinyl windows are precisely measured, level, and sealed. Proper weather stripping and insulation around the frame help maintain stable indoor temperatures year-round. Preventing drafts and air leaks. Even minor installation errors can create noticeable drafts. In Covington residences, poorly aligned windows may not close tightly or may leave uneven spacing around the edges. Over time, this can lead to discomfort near window areas and increased strain on heating and cooling systems. Correct installation ensures that vinyl windows sit squarely within the frame and operate smoothly without allowing unwanted airflow. Protecting against moisture intrusion. Windows are one of the most vulnerable points for water intrusion. When vinyl windows are not installed properly in Covington homes, moisture can seep in around the edges. This can lead to damage to surrounding walls, insulation, or interior finishes. Professional installation includes proper flashing and sealing techniques that help prevent water infiltration, protecting both the window and the structure of your home. Ensuring smooth operation. Vinyl windows are designed for easy opening and closing. If installation is uneven or misaligned, homeowners in Covington may experience sticking, difficulty locking, or uneven sash movement. These issues not only affect convenience but may also compromise security. A properly installed vinyl window functions effortlessly and locks securely, maintaining both comfort and peace of mind. Supporting long-term durability. Vinyl windows are built to resist warping and deterioration, but incorrect installation can undermine their longevity. In Covington homes, structural shifting or improper anchoring may cause stress on the window frame. Over time, this stress can affect alignment and performance. Professional installers secure vinyl windows correctly, helping maintain structural integrity and long-term reliability. Maximizing energy savings. Energy-efficient vinyl windows are an investment in lower utility costs. However, Covington homeowners will only see the full benefit if installation eliminates gaps and ensures proper insulation. Even high-performance glass cannot compensate for poor sealing around the frame. Proper installation allows vinyl windows to deliver consistent energy performance throughout the year. Enhancing overall comfort. Window performance affects more than just energy bills, it influences everyday comfort. In Covington homes, correctly installed vinyl windows help reduce drafts, minimize temperature fluctuations, and maintain a stable indoor environment. Preserving curb appeal. Installation also impacts appearance. Misaligned frames or visible gaps can detract from the clean look vinyl windows are meant to provide. Professional installation ensures a polished, seamless finish that enhances your home's exterior. A critical step for lasting performance. Choosing vinyl windows is only half the equation. For homeowners in Covington, proper installation is essential to unlocking the full benefits of durability, efficiency, and ease of use. With precise measurement, secure sealing, and expert alignment, professionally installed vinyl windows deliver the performance and reliability your home deserves.